Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, you're welcome and I hope you are doing well. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing a little bit of trimming. I'm going to be transforming this fluffy puffy wig into a freshly cut look. So to do that, I'm just going to be trimming a little bit off the top of the wig. So I made this crochet wig back in 2019, and since then I've been rocking it every now and then. Also, I have the link to the video if you want to check out the video on how I made this crochet wig. The link is in the description box down below. So yeah, this wig right here, this is a lifesaver, okay? Because on the days I don't feel like using got-to-be spray to secure my frontal wig in place or my lace closure wig in place, this is the wig I throw on. Like I just take it out of the box, throw it on, fluff it out with my fingers, and I'm out the door ready to go. Especially just to take a quick run to the store. This is the wig I throw on, and but I haven't been doing anything special, no special secret. All I've been using is oil and conditioner. I use a conditioner with a really good smell, just to give it that fresh smell. And on my wash days for this wig, I soak it in lukewarm water with shampoo. I let that soak so that way all the products can have the time to kind of break up before I take it out of the water. I have a video showing you guys how I wash my synthetic wig. So I'll put the link in the description box down below so I give you an idea on how I wash the wig. So like I've said, I nothing special. All I've been using is just water, oil, and conditioner. I mix the oil and the conditioner in a spray bottle with water, shake it up, and spray it on the hair. And if you want something specific for synthetic hair, they have synthetic hair products online. Then you can get a synthetic hairspray on Amazon. So you can buy that if you just want something specific for synthetic hair. But yeah, that's all I've been doing. And this wig, man, this wig. It's like Afro wig, older they get, the more beautiful the look. Look at this right here. Look at this look. It's giving fresh cuts. Like, hello, so natural looking. My Lord. Look at that. Look at that. That is just beautiful. Beautiful. So here's the amount of hair I just trimmed out. This is the first trim I've done in 3 years. Since I made the crochet wig, I haven't trimmed the hair out at all. This is the first time I'm trimming it since I made the wig. So right here, I'm going in with the water to spray in a little fresh smell to the hair and just help to also mold and shape it to how I want the wig to look. Look at that natural texture. I love it. Love it. All right, guys, so today's video is a really quick video. I just wanted to jump on here and show you guys how this wig is looking after 3 years. Yeah. Thank you all so much for popping by today's video. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below. And if you're already subscribed, thank you so much for subscribing. And I'll see you all in my next one.